Hello everyone, I am Priyanka and you are tuned into the 534th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with the exciting news from Outlook Money. Monsoons bring beauty but also breakdowns. Waterlogged roads, engine failures, and tire damage are common and costly. But with the right insurance add ons, you can drive through the season with confidence. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer Commercial at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, puts it perfectly. During monsoon, if you live or drive through waterlogged areas, then water can enter the engine. Engine protection cover comes to your rescue here and provides financial protection for repair and replacement of the engine and its parts, which usually is very costly if those are damaged due to water ingress or hydrostatic lock. This is not just coverage, it is care. Bajaj Allianz monsoon ready add ons like engine protection, tire protection, and zero depreciation cover ensures that your claims are fair, your repairs are covered, and your peace of mind is intact. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from the Economic Times. A recent report by HDFC Ergo, conducted in collaboration with Nielsen IQ, highlights evolving preferences among younger health insurance buyers in India. The survey, which covered 1,400 individuals from the Gen Z and Millennial age groups across Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities, found that 61% of respondents expressed interest in purchasing health insurance. Among the key factors influencing their decision, 37% cited the availability of cashless hospital network as a major consideration, while 24% emphasized the importance of clear and easy to understand policy terms. The report also noted that women were more proactive than men in seeking health insurance coverage. These findings reflect a growing demand for transparency, convenience, and digital accessibility in health insurance products, especially among younger, tech-savvy consumers. Our next update from Insurance Asia highlights that the Generali Group and the Central Bank of India have rebranded their joint life and general insurance venture under the unified identity of Generali Central. The two entities will now operate as Generali Central Life Insurance and Generali Central Insurance. The initiative emphasizes a strong focus on digital innovation, aiming to improve accessibility and customer experience, intending to expand insurance access across India, particularly in underserved and rural areas. Our final story today from Business Standard highlights that the SBI Life Insurance has entered into a corporate agency agreement with AU Small Finance Bank. This partnership is expected to enhance the accessibility of life insurance products, especially in semi-urban and rural areas, enabling customers to access a range of SBI Life products, including term insurance, saving plans, retirement solutions, and child-focused policies. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these new updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.